Okay, good to be with you, everybody, on a Thursday evening. We've got mostly cloudy skies. Starting to see a couple breaks out there, though. And, these breaks have just not come to fruition the last couple of nights. And therefore, that was actually good news. Our numbers did not tank out like they could have. An overnight low in the mid to upper teens the last couple of nights, but we've got a better shot, I think, tonight to get at least a few more breaks. So the prospects of dropping into the lower teens or perhaps as low as 10 degrees, a little bit greater here for this overnight. A west wind around 10 miles per hour. Dew points, how about that, at 12 degrees? Very dry atmosphere, so we're not concerned about any, moisture-laden systems anytime soon. Until a couple days down the line, really even more than that. It'll be overnight Saturday into Sunday. I've been talking about this yesterday, that we are monitoring a storm, and I've got monitored spelled wrong there, but I'll get that corrected. Folks, there is going to be some snow reaching us, and I'm thinking about another 3 to 4 inches in Grand Rapids. That's my early call for the GR area. You go further southward, and amounts can be even greater than that in closer proximity to the heavier snow band. And models are in pretty good agreement at this point with this system, so I don't think it's going to be missing us. It's just a matter of fine-tuning how much snow we will get in GR, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, and other locations within West Michigan. So here we are, mostly cloudy on Saturday. This is your weekend forecast. 28's wild across the board there, and to anticipate snow, I would think probably midnight and thereafter Saturday night. So the majority of Saturday is going to be just in fine shape. How about for this evening? Couple flurries, nothing more than that. These flurries are actually dying as we speak. Partly to mostly cloudy skies, 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock into the overnight. I think even fewer clouds overnight. And then we'll get some level of sun to mix in tomorrow, but also clouds will be in the mix as well. Temps on the board, pretty uniform. Lower half of the 20s, generally about 21 to 23 degrees, no matter where you're at, and a northwest wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. So feels like, or wind chills, those are down into the lower teens. It's pretty much the same song and dance we've had the last several days. I mean, it's January. You expect it to be cold, and it certainly has been. We've been running actually a little bit below normal the last few days, and it appears as though that trend is going to continue as we work on through the next 7 days, if not the next 7 to 14 days, though a little mild spell next week with a system, say by Thursday of next week, could bring some milder air and even a change over to rain with some moisture. But thereafter, I think it goes colder yet again. High pressure off to our north and southern Canada. This is the L, or low pressure, on the map right next to California. I showed you that yesterday. There was also another L next to British Columbia. That has come down to join with this system, and now we'll begin to make progress off to the east-southeast across California, Arizona, New Mexico, and then begin to take a northeasterly track as we work through Friday and into later Friday, I should say, and into Saturday. Let's go with the European model. Not a whole lot to show you initially, but getting on the time code here to 7:30 in the evening on Saturday. This system will have been approaching for the past 24 hours and expanding in coverage, strengthening rapidly as it crosses from Kansas into Missouri. What's interesting, though, is that the models show it actually weakening pretty quickly as it comes in with its snow and then continues to move over towards the east coast. Look at the precipitation kind of fall apart a little bit. So it reaches its peak strength, but it's just going to have so much forward momentum that even as it's weakening, we will have snow ongoing. And I'm thinking a few inches in GR. There could be as much as 3 to 5 to 6 inches maybe near the Indiana line, and perhaps even a little bit more than that. You see it on the model, Three Rivers and Coldwater. I think that's in the realm of possibility, but this far out, we're going to take it easy, folks, considering the winter that we've had, so lacking in snow. I would anticipate a few inches on Sunday in GR, more than that down to the south, looking chilly over the next 7 days. And there's that system, Doug and Annie, that could actually go snow to rain by next Thursday. I'll have more coming up.
All right. Thank you for that, Anthony. People in their 20s